morning. This is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope you're doing well, especially your business. Don't know if you've already successfully built business credit. I know a lot of people have tried to build business credit. They may have been unsuccessful simply because they probably skipped a few steps and they didn't know exactly what to do. And that's why we're here to help you. With 850 Club, we're teaching our clients exactly step by step how to build business credit the right way, and it's affordable. All right. Now, of course, we know you're supposed to get vendors, and after a period of time things will start happening. But what vendors do you get, right? We know that there are banks that will give you different types of financing, short-term loans, long-term loans, equipment financing, cash advance financing, invoice financing, and so many other different types of financing for your business. And depending on what you're looking for, some of you all are looking for $4,000. Some of you all may be looking for $500,000 or even $1 million worth of funding for your business. If you have a legitimate business and legitimate wants and needs for your business, we have the right course for you. And that's our business credit course. In our business credit course, we show you exactly what to do within a 12-month period to build business credit the right way. Now, does that mean that you won't get business credit offers for your business within a shorter period of time, 3 to 6 months? Not at all. In that short period of time, you will qualify for different types of funding and things of that sort. Of course, everybody's business is going to be different. How old your business is matters. Your revenue for your business matters. Depending on what you're looking to do and the timing, you may or may not have to be a personal guarantor depending on what you're trying to accomplish with your business. But in most cases, you don't have to if you build it properly and you follow the steps without trying to accelerate anything. Everything takes time and is worth having. Okay, so we have all the tools that you need. So if even it doesn't really matter what industry you're in, we've helped real estate agents simply learn how to build business credit, not only to leverage their businesses, but so they can stop paying for their own fuel. Yes, they do qualify for fuel cards, but guess what? You got to have business credit to do that. You may have started your own business and have a storefront, or you may be, in any kind of industry, and you want to buy equipment for your business, but you don't qualify yet for equipment financing. There are vendors that will give you up to $10,000, for your business, and you don't need to provide your social. Okay, so you have access to all of these things, but you have to build it properly, and we show you exactly what to do. We also have a list of vendors and the application links, what bureaus they report to, so you know exactly what's going on and you're not going in this blind. Okay, so that's what you want to do. You want to build business credit the right way, not just qualifying for loans either, qualifying for credit cards and other lines of credit as well. All right, so grab this business credit course today. You won't regret it. The link is down below, and we will see you with a successful business credit score and the funding that you need for your business. Have a good day.